Face the facts. You are not living the life you want right now because you have not decided what it looks like yet. And now you're going to be thinking, oh, Luke is not talking about me. He's talking about some other guy who's watching this video. I'm talking about you right now, bro. Because you think you've decided and your ego is not going to let you listen to the rest of this video because you think I'm not talking about you. Have the humility for a second to think, maybe this guy has something important to say. Maybe he has a way that I can look at things that's going to change my mind. It's going to actually bring the things that I want in my life into my life. Because if you don't, you're not going to change, bro. It's not going to happen. And this isn't just you, this is most people. Most people are directionless because they're chasing other people's dreams and not their own. They haven't decided what their success looks like to them. So you're far enough along in your path to realize that money isn't something to be hated. Money buys you freedom, but it's also not everything. Money solves money problems. It does not solve happiness problems. You can't expect it to. By that metric, you also know that continuing to chase money day after day and just keep going for more and more and more and more is also not going to make you happy. Not how it works. So there's going to be some pretty big dick money beliefs in this video. Money is not evil. Money is something that multiplies the character that you already have. If you're a bad person, it's going to make you worse of a person. If you're a good person, it's going to make you better because you can carry out your will easier with money. Also believe that money can be checked off like a freaking box in your life. It's not something that you always have to worry about. You can literally check it off like a box. And if that's something that offends you, this probably is not the video for you. You can go and click off now. So the first stage in redefining the success that you want in life is going to be setting your lifestyle goal. So this is your dream lifestyle. This is absolutely everything you'd want out of life in this stage. You can do this either set out for like 50 years. I recommend setting it for like 2 years from now. 2 years, your dream ideal life. Because this is going to be something that you can work to. This is going to be a goal you can actually visualize and see yourself doing. So, and I'm going to do this with you. So whenever I'm giving you action steps like this, I want you to actually fucking do them. Do your future self a favor and actually have the belief that this might help you. I will warn you, there's going to be a slight bit of math. And if you're scared of math, you're not going to change. I'll be honest. Sorry. But the first thing I want you to do is write out everything that you have, that you want to have in your life. So pause this video right now. Write out the big things you want, whether it's a house, a car, you want money for travel. I'm going to be doing this with you too, so you'll be able to see my example. Now, once you have all those things written out with dollar amounts next to them, next part, you just add all of that up. And that is going to be how much per month. This is monthly, by the way. How much per month your spending is going to be for your dream lifestyle. And mine didn't end up being that much. I guess it's more than what a lot of people make, but this is a dream lifestyle. I'm going to set big dick goals. So it's $5,460 for me, and that includes a nice apartment in the city. It includes having boys' nights because the boys are important. It also includes me being able to fund my music dream, go to a nice gym, that kind of stuff. And this is going to look different for you. You're going to have different things on your list. You're going to have different money amounts. But add all of that up. Now you're going to add in what I like to call fuck it, we ball money. So this is going to be for clothes. This is going to be groceries. This is going to be anything unexpected that you didn't know about that's coming up. This is also going to be for fuck it, we ball moments. Just any entertainment or things that you just want to randomly spin on. Now that you have your fuck it, we ball number, add that into the number you just had, and that together is called your gross living cost. This is how much you need to fund the lifestyle and to also have fuck it, we ball moments, and now divide that by 0.6. That is going to account for any taxes that you're going to have to pay. This is how much money you are actually realistically going to need to fund this dream lifestyle. And that is called your total lifestyle cost. Now you could stop here. That's a money goal for you to set, a box for you to check off. Now you at least have a direction for your monetary goals so you can check money off and then focus on other problems that you have in your life. You can focus on reducing your workload, reducing the amount of time that you're actually working. And so you're not constantly chasing on the hamster wheel of I need to make more, I need to make more. Stage 2 is going to be for people who actually want a huge change in their life. Someone who has big dick money beliefs, who believes that they can genuinely make shit happen in their life. Because when you actually set a goal for stage 2 and start to focus on it, life is going to freaking change. The way you experience life is going to be completely different because now Now we're not worrying as much about money. We have the money part. Now we're worrying about freeing ourselves with time. The whole idea of stage 2 is to make this money completely passively. So stage 2, you're also freeing up your time, which means that you're no longer going to be working a 9-to-5 job. This is where you are starting a business. And don't come at me with, oh, I can't start a business because I don't have a degree or I don't know anything about business. You can learn it. If you spend 4 to 6 hours every day on one thing, you're going to be successful at it, right? So why not make it something that can actually free your time? So to make your dream income, your dream lifestyle happen passively, you need to set 2 targets. The first one is going to be your money system target. Because once you build up enough money in some kind of account that's going to give you returns like a mutual fund, you are going to be able to take the interest you gain out of that account without touching the principal and completely be able to live your lifestyle. So basically, if you put enough money in this account that it's working for other people and making you more money, the amount of money that you are going to make is going to be enough to fund your dream lifestyle. So you have to set that number. And to do that, take your total lifestyle cost, multiply it by 12, and then divide it by 0.05. So when you do this, you're going to get a pretty big number. And remember, this is endgame stuff. So this is, you no longer have to work ever again, amount of money number. This number means that you can do absolutely nothing for the rest of your life and you can still live your dream lifestyle. I'm not giving you quick and easy fixes here because you can get rich quick, but you can't get rich easy. A lot of the time, it's not going to be as quick as people want it to either, but this number means you are completely free of money problems. So the next number that you have to worry about is your business system. This is how much money your business has to make to be able to, 1, fund your dream lifestyle, but 2, fund your money system so that even if everything went wrong and you no longer have your business or you no longer have any way of making money, you're good. You don't have to anymore. To get this number, take your gross lifestyle cost, not your total, your gross one. So the smaller number, multiply that by 5. And you do that because, well, take a look at mine. So mine is $30,300, which means that 20% of that is going to go to my actual living costs. It's going to go to me living my dream lifestyle. 40% of that is going to go towards taxes, and another 40% is going to go towards funding my money system. So while I'm making this amount of money where I'm living a sick, incredible life, I'm also making a lot of money to be able to put away towards this money system, towards building up that account that's going to make me completely passive income. And like I said, money isn't everything, but it helps you get the things that you value in life. Like you can probably see my dream lifestyle. I have a 2014 Honda Civic. I don't really value having nice cars. I more so value being able to take my friends out and pay for all their stuff when I do. I value being able to take my parents out for dinner and not have to worry about the check. I value being able to fund my music dream. Having these things in your life that you value is going to make your life better. It's not going to be everything because there's also other aspects of life like social life, relationships. But now you've defined success for your money problems. You can tackle those and then you can start tackling your next level problems, the ones on top of your base needs, the ones on top of money problems that you can only get to once your money problems are gone. Then these become available. The first step to accomplishing your goal is actually setting it. So act now, become unstoppable.